Oldies TV, serbisyo sa mga senior citizen at PWD. Please support.
Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me.
So, ang aming bigyan po ng award muna for being most outstanding support in every premiere and YouTube channel of members of non-members of Team Puso International ay tinatawagan ko po si Ma'am Gina. Given this day, December 21, 2024, ay si Ma'am Gina Shoko from Bulacan. Ang next po, mayroon pang cash. Okay. Pabs Gen Vlog. Sa ating presidente, Pabs Gen Vlog. Yung next po naming bibigyan ng award for being most outstanding support in every premiere and YouTube channel of the members and non-members of Team Puso International given this day, December 21, 2024. I si Orlando Reynosa ng Caloocan City.
Sino nga palang gumawa na si Sir Vic the Artist. Siya yung gumagawa na award. Wow, feeling ko tuloy sikat ako. Ayan no, parehas kami ni Piolo Pascual. Ay, Piolo.
Polo.